When I moved to the US from India 20 years ago, I had big dreams but little money. After earning a degree in economics from USC and working in consulting in LA, I realized something critical. Making money isn't just about hard work, it's about the strategy. So if I had to start over today and I wanted to become a millionaire in the next 20 years, here's exactly what I would do. Step 1, I would define a clear goal and timeline. First, I would calculate my target. To get 1 million in the next 18 to 20 years, I'd break it down. So we're assuming you're starting at age 22, straight out of college, and you landed your first job and you have $0 saved. So you'll have 18 years to invest and you aim for 8% annual return, which is the historical return of a diversified stock portfolio like the one in S&P 500. So how much do you need to save? To hit that 1 million mark, you would need to save $1,300 per month. And this is based on the math of compound interest. So assuming 8% annual return, which is 0.667% monthly, you have 216 months, about 18 years. So this way, if you save $1,300 consistently every month, you can do it. I know it is a lot, but hear me out because I want to talk about the steps to do it. So let's say your total annual savings is $15,600. And then over the 18 years, you can contribute to a total of $280,800. Now, because of compounding, you get $719,200 extra just by investing that money. Let's say you're starting late at around 25 years of age. In that case, you would need to save around $1,800 per month to reach that goal. The second issue could be if you are not able to save that much, then you start with $1,000 a month for 18 years. Your total contributions will be $216,000. And the investment growth at 8% will make it $577,000. So the total will become around $793,000. To close that 1 million gap, you will have to invest in slightly more riskier assets which offer higher returns. Another scenario is that you start with $500 in the beginning and then you increase it going forward. So through your raises or promotions. So let's say in the first few years, from year 1 to 4, you save $500 a month, then you increase it to $732 a month, which is 10% annual increase. And then going forward from 10, you can somehow save $1,200. So this gradual increase will allow you to build momentum without straining your budget. Also invest in high growth diversified assets such as index funds during early years to maximize the compound returns. Make sure to plan for major lifestyle changes. Like for example, if you get married, you can combine the finances with your partner. This way the joint contribution can reduce the individual pressure. And if you have children down the road, you will need to prioritize family needs but maintain consistent savings. So use tax advantage accounts like 529 plans for education, but at the same time preserve the long-term investments for you. Also make sure to revisit your plan yearly to adjust for income, expenses, or any lifestyle changes. Even small adjustments monthly can lead to big changes over time through the magic of compounding. Now let's move to step 2. The step 2 is basically about learning a high income skill. So consulting taught me one thing: people pay for specialized skills. If I were starting fresh, I would pick a skill with high demand, such as coding or financial consulting. And I would get mastery in 6 to 12 months so that, my industry can pay me better than others. I would learn AI powered financial analysis tools and position myself as an expert for small businesses who need strategic advice. Step 3 is to create a scalable income stream. So I would focus on something scalable in addition to my day job, like freelancing over the weekends or, whenever I have free time, maybe launching an online course or starting a YouTube channel just like this one. So if I taught personal finance or shared my journey from 0 to 1 million, I could monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Step 4 is to save and invest relentlessly. Making money is one part, but growing it is another. I would adopt pay yourself first rule, where I save at least 40% of my income and invest in low cost, diversified assets. The formula is simple. Start early, save consistently, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Even if life throws you curveballs, you adjust your savings and investments to stay on track. The next step is to network. So network like a millionaire. Opportunities don't knock, they're created. I would attend local entrepreneur meetups, connect on LinkedIn, and other ways to build relationships with like-minded individuals. Sometimes, talking with the right person could lead to a profitable partnership, or even you can get a new business idea. Step 6 is to avoid lifestyle inflation. I would resist the temptation to, get very fancy cars just because everybody else in my circle is getting one, or to get a new iPhone. I'm happy with what I have, because for me, financial freedom is critical. My freedom to do whatever I want is critical. So I have to make a few adjustments so that I can reap the benefits going forward. If you know the story about a janitor who died and had millions of dollars, this was not because he was making a lot of money, but how he was using it, how he was managing it was critical. Even, people who are highly educated, skilled people sometimes fail to manage money effectively, and they still live paycheck to paycheck, even at higher income levels, because they get something called lifestyle inflation. So their expenses keep rising as their income is. So try to follow these steps and you can achieve financial freedom. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what is your strategy to become a millionaire. I hope we can make the next year better for all of us financially and make the best choices and informed decisions. I will see you in my next video. Take care. My name is Parul and I'm signing off. Bye.